Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books, and for day 22 of the 30-day drawing challenge, you hear that? Day 22. I'm getting close to the end. I'm just going to do a simple sketch here of Claire from the Sunnyvale Stories spin-off, Dominic and Claire. I already went through the trouble of sketching a very basic skeleton here with a 2H pencil. That's this. Now I moved on to my staple tool. Alright. Here I'm experimenting with perhaps a different outfit for Claire. Thought of maybe giving her something a little more 1970s style. So I know her current outfit, that is a bit, that's a bit more 1980s style. Alright, let's add in the parts there. As I explained, Claire's a teenage girl. She's a porcupine. She lives next door to Dominic. She's known him ever since he was born. She's the object of Dominic's affections. She genuinely enjoys Dominic's company. I mean, she loves to laugh at the things he says and does. Alright, let's do some of her. I'll finish the quills in a bit. Alright. Again, this is just a rough sketch. I have been experimenting with some different designs here for the characters. Alright, let me just erase this here. I was thinking of giving her a little bit of a 70s style wardrobe. And a bit here, I'm going to give her some flare pants. There's a lot of retro influence in my work. Yeah, that arm doesn't look right. I think, yeah, I made it too short. No one's perfect. Now, let's clean this. Alright, let's see here. Alright. So that's some more. Her quills are basically serve the same function as hair. Yeah, nothing special there. Again, basically I just want to get a rough idea down. Make the, give her wide 70s style flare pants. There is a lot of retro influence in my artwork. It's mainly 1980s, some 60s, 70s, maybe a bit of the 50s and the 90s. And nothing special there, I just want to get an idea down. And here we go. A nice concept. Yeah, I think, well, if Dominic were here, he would believe that Claire looks good in anything she wears. Yeah, he's really got the hots for this teenage girl. Alright, let's just sign it. And there we go, another day of the 30-day drawing challenge completed. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Check back for more updates. Until then, This is Max West saying goodbye.